If you are looking for crypto to flip your portfolio, you are in the right spot. We're going to go step by step how to find the best crypto possible that will flip your portfolio. So as you guys can see, we're going to start with Bitcoin, right? I am on X, the new Twitter. All you have to do, guys, it's literally with the press of a button. I'm sure with your mobile phone, you'll see this somewhere. It's going to show like a you might like button, okay? If you hit show more, it shows tons of accounts that are similar that I would say to like price range as well as market cap of Bitcoin, okay? Sometimes if you guys scroll down the Twitter page as well of that asset you're looking at, you guys can see the who to follow. This is actually another great area to check. If you keep scrolling down through here, I bet you I can find another asset. As you guys can see, we have Litecoin. That's an asset right there. As you guys can see, we have Ethereum. As long as you scroll down through this list, you should be able to find somewhat similar projects that have the same ideal. I would even say same ideal because Bitcoin is literally the golden king. He's on top of the whole market. But you'll be able to find assets that are quite interesting and maybe one to keep an eye on, all right? And it's going to be the same process with all of them, believe it or not. I'm on Ethereum, for example, just to show you guys that this is not BS. Scroll down here. Who to follow, as you guys can see, we click that button there. You can see tons of other projects. We have Dogecoin, we have Cardano, we have tons of other assets, and it's going to work ideally the same. Let's talk about finding the best hidden gems. Now, when I mean hidden gems, I mean gems that are going to be fairly like around a couple cents, if not maybe 10, 20 cents. Now, these gems not only have a very, very minimal market cap, if you could find that use case utility asset with a very, very low market cap, you can legit lift your entire money. You know what? You'll wake up tomorrow not in a Toyota Camry anymore. You know what you'll wake up in? In a freaking Lamborghini. Yes, a Lamborghini. Do you want a Lamborghini? I'm sure you do want a Lamborghini. As you guys can see, I have B-Chain pulled up here. And for those that are wondering, B-Chain is currently sitting at about 2 pennies as I'm speaking at the time of this video. Really the same ideal thing. We scroll down here on the homepage. Who to follow? Check that out. I bet you I can find some lower assets that are going to be around the same price, somewhat similar to the B-Chain price, somewhat similar to as well as that market cap. Go to the you might like section. It's going to be the same exact thing. You have to get the algorithm to adapt to you. So once you start finding projects through these little revenues that I'm giving you guys, it's gonna literally just start feeding you more and more and more. Because as you guys can see, once you scroll down, the suggested for you, it's gonna be all about what I look at the most. So if I'm looking at hidden gems, guess what? It's gonna keep showing me things that are similar. You have a tons of money. This is the best way potentially find those assets with that real utility and flip your portfolio. Last but not least, let's cover the best way to find the best assets. If you guys have made it this far in the video, you guys must stay until the end to listen to this most important part. So as you guys can see, we have CoinMarketCap pulled up, all right? I will be leaving this link down in the description for a quick hyperlink for you guys to just click and go. Here's how to work CoinMarketCap to show you what we're looking for, right? So as you guys can see, we have the filter button. So once you guys hit filters, you hit add filter, okay? Then you go to the market cap. If you guys don't understand market cap, please let us know. We'll make a video understanding market cap. Literally the lowest market caps are going to be the best opportunity with high potential, especially if they hit $1 billion in market cap. Depending on how risky you are and how risky you want to be, it's really going to depend on what you're going to choose here for market cap. This is not financial advice, but you could start with 1 million for a ballpark and then just play around with it from there. Just for the video purposes, we're going to go with 1 million to 100 million, okay? So as you guys can see, once I apply this filter, it's going to show me projects that have a market cap with as low as 1 million. So once we get that filter in, we're going to hit this button. This button right here is going to show us all the lowest market cap currencies here that are listed on CoinMarketCap. All right, now this will take quite some research, so please, you guys have to be patient when finding the right project. Me personally, I just judge the book by its cover. If the logo of theirs look quite appealing, I'll click on it. We're not going to click on Harry Potter Obama Sonic, for example. Like, we're not going to be looking at this, right? I mean, I would hope so. I hope that our subscribers and I hope that our family here and our community that we built are way smarter than this, right? Because this is not what we're going to look into. However, if you're in for the giggles and you want to risk all your money, you want to gamble it, go for it. Completely up to you. Not my cup of tea. We're here to make money. Once you click on a project, scroll to the left right here, you're going to scroll down, you're going to see the Twitter, right? Once you find the Twitter, it's kind of self-explanatory from here. Oh, Decimal blockchain infrastructure. It's going to show what they do. So you research the project, you go to their website, see what it's about, and then from there you just choose if you're going to invest in that project or not. Tons of people have found tons of projects that made them thousands. And I'm not speaking just thousands, I'm talking hundreds of thousands. And I'm sure you guys heard of people making, oh, if you guys invest $5 at this time, you would have had this. Listen, we're going to make that you. Now, if you guys haven't checked out that recent video. Make sure you check that out. If you guys happen to have any questions regarding to today's video, please let us know in the comment section down below. Other than that, we will see you guys in the next one.